Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, November 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34-video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the pound dollar, I mean, very strong to the downside, as you can see. I think this is impulsive down, three waves up, and it will probably either in a running flat, which will make a higher high and go back up, or maybe more likely we are in an expanding flat, which would go down and make a lower high before it continues back up. Either way, I think we're in a move to the downside, and it is likely not over yet. Going down to the weekly time frame. So this is where you can a little more clearly see this. I think this is a 3-3 pattern. So 1, 2, 3 waves down for the first 3. 1, 2, 3 waves up for the second 3. Now we are likely in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern to the downside. Now this can make a higher high, and that would be a running flat, or it could go down and take out all these lows, which would be an expanding flat. We don't really know what it's going to be, but luckily we'll just watch it, and we should be able to tell when this move down is over. Heading down to the daily time frame, I personally think we're in a wave 3. I think this is a 1, a 2. I believe we're in a wave 3. If this is a wave 3, we're probably going to go at least to the 161% Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the top of wave 2. We're not even to the 78% yet, so we likely have a lot of downside potential left. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, for me, as long as it doesn't break this high right here, I'm definitely looking at any move I see to the upside as likely just a correction to the last wave down. So let's take it all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, we got our Fibonacci retracement on this last impulsive move down. Like I said, as long as it doesn't break this high right here, I'm only looking for sorts. We had already one pretty nice little Fibonacci bounce and one pretty nice little sorting opportunity yesterday. I was kind of hoping to see another push up, so that way we could get a more nice looking ABC correction. Nice clear ABC pattern to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. Now, I definitely wouldn't go long, planning to trade this wave C, because even though it looks like it should go up and make a wave C, the trend is down, and we are likely in a wave 3, and wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So I would like to see it go up and make an ABC correction like that, but it definitely could just keep on drifting down, which is why I will do nothing but look for sorts on these shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.